Anyway, you film talker. This is a serious home was NDC TikToker TK. Abe classes of Penyah. Prophet Dr. Isaac Osua Bempah. Bege can I read a channel tan. Was that any warning? I'm an NDC for no money JS3 all because Osua Bempah I can say obegu NPP party no more no. NDC TikToker TK I can see be Edi achere Uniamu NDC for. Mo ha no as me obedwudwa mu amwate ase no achere wa adwen Edi amame. Ewa comment message wa say di mo. Obe me subscribe button so na da woruma. Obe turn the notification icon on for latest update. Na be chere wa adwen Edi amame. Ewa comment section. Eya no awo so ama unu aso enya bi ahwere me kan for NGWorks Limited ena de amount. Oprobi amana ye all kinds of plumbing works Edi amount. All kinds of plumbing works. Yen lay pipe say yen lay pipe every tamale enko bako kura na obe se adwere na amount. All kinds of plumbing works omu eye solar panel installation, power plant installation, just a baby o here ni bia no ufie wo store business kesi na running hotel schools baby solar panel and power plant installation omu eye bi omu to swimming pool eka ho yesa tu nsuo eka ho yesa enoma omu ye de bebrebe bubruja omu nwa omu ye no edo just all kinds of engineering works there free omu na no mtutu omu number enugu so no na ombo awsa ekwan so ama kama modwuma so ehwote pa omo ede no kredie and Ghana bia wo bia no fro mu omo de no kredie and aye omo adwuma. Now let's go to the story. Oni say Prophet Isaac Osua Bempah oni am before no e wo beef bi I say start ya che abra na NPP etia konwa no so no Osua Bempah eni agrada konwa issue bi e mo twintuo e kwa agrada so because of that ye kwa che no because ombro Ghana mra no so ye kwa che no Osua Bempah chire mu say that na e course so no che be che no yes NPP for na asheda ama omuda mpare ebe che no after say obom paye ema akufo ewini akonwa ni nyina achi no omo madam pare ebe che no say ne nsemu ani ene ne ode atan NPP party no edebesi ne ema even kwa from that time kwa no 2024 Bawumia kwa call na so them 31st March and Easter Sunday Bawumia call na so them akwa oma Bawumia platform mo Bawumia ekasai
Pacho Montanasi. Me Papa, Apostle Dr. Isaac Owusu Bempah, General Overseer, Glorious Word, Power Ministries International, the Pastoral Board, any church elders, Thai congregation, Penyah Fua, Omodime Baha, Ene eye da sronko yenyina yenim Christosumu dayi se eye da sronko na me se enedie nyame adom meba me papa na sorry na mabesom enemu nyina
Bonsema me papa.
Put your hands together for His Excellency. We're going to say a prayer for His Excellency and the men
but
working with
your
him.
best advice. But
we are going to plead with His Excellency to walk forward with all humility. With all humility. Against his life. For the sake of the progress of Ghana, for the sake of the elevation of Ghana, Lord, preserve his life. Be gracious unto him. Let the desires of his heart come to pass. I devote his life into the hands of God the Father, God the Son, and the Holy Spirit. In the name of Jesus. Your Excellency,
we are a very good man.
You're a very good man.
And you have a good heart.
I'm
telling you, you have a good heart. God bless you. Yamisha.
Nyina echi na Osua Bempah edaso wo MP for no ho menasepo bi ewo ntirim ye call election sim no osa be san ne ho ke kan sem bebrebe na de gupet ne mu ase e be kwa about party elusi not because Osua Bempah bibi wa anye hwe ye party members nankasa internal conflict we are air cost any dene be doing say ya mo their right candidate and simple CBT. Some of the party members need be anko to abano. There was an apathy in the party because of that no more to abano. But those people say oh no, and of course that apathy no in the party. Anytime we also papa kase bia no person chire mo NPP dia meye mo say na megu no na me and I send the twem yabusia was aden command esa ba bi no chire say one wo abeto abade ma NPP bia no obedome wa kese e ma campus say even so wa so dem ha no na NPP ni a gina ye because me ba bedome just say or kakra chire the church members mo ya aware say so wo ho no na NPP ni a oba bedome
adena NPP for no yemsa me kan mufisa agro na media ohu the omo dey am in the mesma e omo NPP sa 2028 no omo mpa ba bi ntena me kaso on be man kofa be di matem eno kra na me pe omo di matem no na me say omo mo ha me say omo NPP awurade a me omo ma hunu se tumi eye Yesu dia eno dia ma me adia meya NPP for power Ghana krom ha NPP for ento wo ha na NPP ni a ene Owusu due because 2028 me be case NPP for nyina bon sama Jesus
okaka ho e was aka biem se ontena ho enhwe emu bia ho mbone ahye no se na one Bawumia na ikasa obi ahun fi ahye no ma onyi Yesu nie no onfa ontena ma dani pakoro metena oman Ghana so
we are praying
Yeah, Bempah.
that
Unto God.
Lord
Bless the nation
through
us.
Ghana.
For our sake, bless Ghana. For our sake, pour down your blessing upon the nation. Whatever we bind on earth is bound in heaven. Whatever we lose on earth is loosed in heaven. As for me, I have bound it. It is bound.
So far as I see, it can never happen.
That the son of the devil will not lead this nation so long as I am alive. You may doubt it, you may believe it. That's your choice. Because Jesus is the King of all kings. All power of government belongs to him. And he is the ruler.
Church. Mama ya misuse your power.
Church, let us not misuse the power God has given us. You must be fierce, strong and bold, and have it in your mind that you will make an impact in this nation, so that a new king will not arise and say, let no one go to church. Let no one pray. Let no prophet prophesy. That was the same thing they said. Let Daniel not pray. But Daniel prayed regardless. And he was cast into the den of lions. I will not wait until I'm cast into the den of lions. You will not even see the throne. Let alone make a law and cast me into the den of lions. I will not allow you to even come. Anyone who would lead this nation and would make a law or a policy against Christians, you will not see the light of day.
Antichrist, anti-God, no
antichrist.
It is impossible.
Any person who is anti-God
we shall see
will become president to lead the nation. It will not be possible. It will not happen.
Okay, that's some just say and some of them back here there bebelebe anya kasa twitwe e mo sa be wie say MP for no me ankwasiafo sebi nyansani bia ani obi en wo party mo no me asa omu nyina agimi efri panyin so e go si akura so ni voters nyina obi o hye akura bia se kro tono body man people no sebi obi mba se omu nyina agimi omu nyina ni mu nyansa oh opeke kansem ensem de obi mba ake kan bi pa na me wa this is not the first time I can say be say and seven of them can from a hammer.
I'm telling you, sir. BBS, I'm surprised. sɛ nipa timi yɛ saa deɛ no.
Is it murder? Is it what is it?
Onyankopɔn bu afu ɛnu nti onyankopɔn bu fu sɔɔ onyame bu afu na me deɛ me kasa so onyame prophet obi apɔn didi matem I don't mind because mu didi matem me found because Jesus Christ we didi natem sɛ Ghana fo nim na ɔmo san ma John Mama be president bi ma enima be sisi Ghana no obi antimi ntena Ghana mo pa mo date nto JDM ya papa John Dramani Mahama enya Ghana fo na nto aba ma no bibi asi ama bibi ama ken to say king.
Now, it is not because Ghanaians do not want to vote for JDM, but the fact is that something has happened, and by virtue of what happened, there is a mark on him, like the mark on Cain.
Obi say, oh, so you 6 million. Enti, edian excess, oh man, hey, million. Obejina 1,000 times, obelusu 1,000 times. Opa choto.
Now, somebody would say that during the last election, he garnered about 6 million and over votes. But you know, he may stand as a flag bearer for the party 1,000 times, but he will lose 1,000 times. You can mark today's.
I just want to share 7 more than
he needs a mighty hand.
And
that hand ought not to be the hand of an idol.
Divine hand.
He needs a divine hand.
And it is only
that divine hand that will deliver him from that curse.
And this is a Crawford that say, Ubedin Kunim or Yam Fanco, Messi, or Bessa Bedian Guasiabi.
Now,
and yet you come into a banamano, or should have decided, and to a young beer, or Nimsu, to say, me will say, Nametimia Chana, dear Bia was so yet.
Okase Mahama, Nyamia Domeno, Nyamia Casino. Na ebini osumfu daka emoja wonensa wed ensem bebrebe no betena oman so a oman ne besi apene ede be isi no obi antimi ntan oman ne mu ensem ben eno Bempah wan kan for Mahama ho but at the end of the day on say be ka se nyame de Mahama bone ache no edidi ne wake kan enye news de ne okay ka fan NPP party no enye news because wadi ka ka bia kire Mahama pen e ma last obeye U10 eti enye news only credibility also pen credibility. But about it, say, MP for be a wolf, amana NDC for no any agent. Na NDC for no any agent, and no, and NDC communications officer Baku, a TK, or because the Chimu said, Adios Bempah na NDC for no any agent. Se Munua, Monshana, said in Suye, San Yabaye, and 7 like TK, Ababeka.
Me for you, Owusu Bempah, some day, and your fatu. Timmy, for one session, me say we are NDC. Never what you say. You also for Owusu Bempah, condemn NPP, cancel NPP. So, what I say, I'm a way NDC, what you then you were stupid.
Oh, me ba tiki.
Mamika said, Mamika
said, me tiki. Okay, I say, only tete di for ni bi no.
I will club.
Na nkonso dia obehye bi ebem.
Eba way from
In 2012 okay bem.
Ebede.
Ba okase, omba wiwie bi omuhu bi da. E say ampanso omu wiwie bi omuhu da. And say o si confusion esi wo NPP party ni na yo no na eyo.
Mamika said, no obeyfo.
We nyame nipa.
Nyame nipa. Nyame nipa bia ni wa sabin peduasa. Obembo mpa ya gu. Otiasefo so wu. Enye no kre o Bible mu. We nyame nipa fo no kasempa. Let me be honest with you. Me say Yero Mama so further can say prem moja. Yero Mama say prem moja. Na kwansima asada ne ho abeka che wa say Captain Smart no.
Na kuma pan.
Wa say Captain Smart no. Osu me pan life say Captain Smart. O to be catch obi say onipa we oye bonsam ye me anto abama no na myself say na kuma panti na go pon ekohwini si na go pon to me kire ma Owusu Bempah e ma ne ka asambone e fa Yero Mama ho e sa dan na no e ka kire na fo say Yero Mama ni papa na say na go pon ekohwini e go pon ka ne kore
nyango ba mbeba
hwe
o kasa me so metima kasa ni Bible mu
Bible
Paul e so no be Paul
tete wo fo no
e betima ba say Satan ni nyame ka kire no no e na obekae e na se o se na kuma panti otumfo nyankopon e de Ghana hyene sa
amuntie no sa kwase a commission asabi program mu se okomia no wo ye sofo aye wanu me ka kire me to sebe me ka kura kire wo hwe me asofo a me dwo mu di okrom ya me who say yes, they are very relevant. Yes, sir. I sorry, I'm Jomudi. Pentecost number 1.
Okay.
Roma for number 2. Spiritual. Omudi from myself. That's Baku Yomba ya one my church is where I said Omudi say who were up. May come at them. Why wouldn't you now? So for 1 na ya mu ye man na ya wadwe se be prayer sa wo be ka kwa asema ye mu bi no ye be kire wo se be bibia wo she be fish up ni ye mu pa mo nya e before ba na se ne mo ka asema mo ka sem ye ru Muhammad ye the time no ye ni mu bi ya se be prayer sa ya ko ma dagla fo so ya ko ma wo NDC mu ye trans e ma se be prayer sa asofo abonsanfo e mese o man
na ko mi sa Ghana fo ni bi so no abe clash with Owusu Bempah.
According to Prophet Owusu Bempah, or see 2028, wo beto waba ediama NPP party no me ebetena wo so ani wabusua so according to Owusu Bempah. According to Owusu Bempah, or say obi biala obeto na badiama NPP no me betena no so atena na busua so na that means NPP party na da ho no eye no me because semi yali HIV na HIV ni kire se obi a me ne beda no obenya HIV ni bidia eye the same I price to Owusu Bempah na asem no inti na that means MPP party na da ho ne ye no me inti wotu aba edema MPP party na no me betena wo so ani wabusua so okay yento aso se Prophet Owusu Bempah timi babontin be ka say wo beto abade ama MPP 2028 no me betena wo so de ya MPP nyuma odi agu akwamu a wo Owusu Bempah wo yusu bi da no wo so de na ebeba wo so question na mimi bi say Owusu Bempah ne say according to Owusu Bempah wo say ni obeto na abade ama MPP 2028 no me betena no so inti mi bisa wo say se ni okoto na ba keka ama MPP no me betena ne so de a what about say policy MPP de aba wo Owusu Bempah wo yisu Ghana card ana wabusua ni bi ba ekofli SHS ana wo yisu mobile banking ana wo yisu prepaid meter na wo yisu prepaid meter wo nipa na wo yisu nioma MPP de agu akwamu ni bi no de pa na wo ebeba wo so question mi bisa no se ni obeto na ba ma MPP no me betena ne so no me beba ne so ani na busuafo so de ya mi bi so Owusu Bempah se wadi MPP ni sikada se ye 1 cedi se ye 2 cedi se MPP since ye ti MPP kuo no se wa benefit from MPP a edempa na wo Owusu Bempah ebeba wo so se wo de nya no me adempa na ebeba wo so because according to wo say ni obeto aba keke de bema MPP no me betra ne so ani na busua so what about wo na se wa benefit ewe MPP party ni mu wa benefit wo mu da wo no de na ebeba wo so se wo use Ghana card da wo de na ebeba wo so se wo use mobile banking da wo de na ebeba wo so question mi bisa Prophet Owusu Bempah no me be Ghana mampahini ade ba ko pe na meye de ahyewurade anumunyam se churches bebrebe na wo Ghana ha no megu bebre because bebre na wo mu mfiri onu nyankopon no wo mu adwene ene wo mu de nnam wo se wo mu pese wo mu ku according to Owusu Bempah wo mu pese wo mu bonu tuo ede na wo ye ya wo mu pese wo mu bo tuo that be the question MPP party na da ho no asofofo bebreba wo mo Ghana ha no MPP fo ntimi anya obi ambo ntuo se eye wo Owusu Bempah na ye bebo utuo yambo utuo under JJ under Akufo Kofo abreso ba ye bo utuo under ajeku na nado abreso a ɛdeɛ na wo ye MPP fo se wo mo bebo utuo. That be the question me bi sa. Because MPP party na da wo mu njimi. Na wo mo sorry ya na wo mo se wo mo ba bebo Owusu Bempah wo mo ba bebo utuo. Ɛdeɛ na wo ye MPP fo se ye bo utuo. Because of ye ba bebo utuo nti. Innocent person oti ni baby no. Wo se okoto aba de ma MPP a. No me nkono so because of wo personal interest. Because of wo Owusu Bempah wo personal interest o. Because of wo personal interest nti. Obi koto aba de ma MPP a. No me nko ono no so ani na busua so. Sa ni pakro na wo do me no. But na wura efi se MPP di mobile banking by se wo so wo yisu bia de na ebeba wo so. MPP di Ghana card by wo yisu bia de na ebeba wo so. MPP di free SHS by se wo busua ni biala extended family and the nuclear family no wo mo yisu bia sankofo no so sa wo busuafo no so de na ebeba wo mo so. Question me bi so Owusu Bempah no. Uye Ghana ni biala she video we ma Ghana ni bia hu ne kore. Ye chechire oman. Ye nchechire Owusu Bempah kotokuum. Ye nchechire Owusu Bempah na asore. Inti nena wo dome MPP ni obekwa koto abade ama MPP no. Se wa sori dem ho se MPP ni te ho a. Wo no de na beba wo so. That be the question me be so Owusu Bempah.
Share why you have mama ever comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media. Agree.